Hello mga ka-maintenance. I have something to do right now. This is the aircon switch direct. So this is not working properly. See? Cannot turn off, and then see, it's loose, so we need to replace this one. It's not working properly, mga ka-maintenance, so we need to replace that one. And then kaya mga ka-maintenance, tatanggalin na natin to. Ito kasi 32 amperes mga ka-maintenance. Now I'm going to replace more power. I buy 40 amperes. That one 40 amperes para hindi laging nasisira. So i-fix na natin mga ka-maintenance. As you can see the damage of the wiring, see, look the neutral, the wire is burning, see, because it's too hot. And then the other one here, look, a little closer, this one, the live wire, it's already burned, so that is totally busted, so we need to replace new one. Ayan. So ayan, nasunog yung wire, so kailangan ko na lang na i-cut. So cut lahat. There, this is the 32 amperes. Ayaw mapindot kasi sunog na siya. See, ayaw mapindot dahil sunog na siya. Ngayon papalitan natin siya ng mas mataas na amperahe. Ito, 40 amperes. Yes, mga ka-maintenance, we're going to tighten very well the screw so that we avoid the ground. And then now it's done. So I'll show you, we're going to open now if it is working. This is the another type of switch for air condition. So let's try it mga ka-maintenance. There. See? Now, it's working now. Maintenance. And then, let's try to turn off. Yeah, there. Then, turn on again. There. So, it's working. So, there, mga ka-maintenance, it's working now. Look there. I opened already the air condition, so it's feel cool now. And there, because that is the problem. Now, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to push the bell button so that you are updated to my new vlog. Thank you very much.